Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your system and account. You need to be ready to redeem immediately. Check CPU, GPU, RAM, and disk space so installation won't stall. Next, pick an authorized seller like Steam or the official store to ensure a valid activation code. Make sure you are signed into the correct Steam or platform account before buying, because once you redeem a key, it ties to that account. Once done, proceed to purchase and copy the key exactly as you complete the purchase using a secure payment method and keep the receipt and order ID handy. After payment, find the activation key in the confirmation email or the retailer's account page. Some sellers place it in a dashboard or order details section. Copy the key exactly, because characters like 0 and capital O or 1 and capital I can be confusing. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Once copied, you're ready to redeem on the platform of choice. You open your platform client and choose the Activate Product option, then paste the key and follow prompts to add Euro Truck Simulator 2 to your library. Once the game installs, launch it to confirm activation, sign into any required accounts, and allow cloud sync if applicable. If the key is rejected or shows as already used, immediately contact the seller or platform support with your order ID and receipt. Make sure to avoid third-party resellers that don't provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.